This video will show you how to replace your lower splash shield on a forward edge. This will be located under your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the front of the vehicle. As we make our way into the vehicle, we can see the lower portion of our bumper cover. Along this lower area here is our splash shield that we're going to be removing. To remove this, you're going to find that you have several 5.5mm mounting screws, but you also have a few plastic push clips. We'll save the push clips for last. We'll continue on to our plastic push clips next. There's 3 of these. For this, I'm using a trim tool. You can also use a flat blade screwdriver. Make your way under the center to unlock it. Once it's unlocked, the rest of it should slide out of place as well. As far as your plastic push clips, if you find during the removal process that they separate, line them up, press them back together, but leave your push clip in the unlocked position. Now, of course, the last push clip is the last thing holding this in place. So I'm holding my plastic shield so it does not fall down and potentially hurt me. Go ahead and remove that plastic shield. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. Now it's time for installation of our brand new front splash shield. Let's get this in place. Now as I bring this up, we're starting with our center push clip area. As far as those push clips, they're in the unlocked position. Start them through the shield, press them into their corresponding port. Once you have it pressed all the way in, lock it in by pressing in the center. We'll make our way over. You can go to one side or the other. Same process here. We're just lining up our push clip, driving it through, locking it in by pressing in the center. Same process on the other side. There we go. Now it's time for our 5.5mm mounting bolts. I like to start in the center. Down at the far corner. Let's go over to the other side, repeat this exact same process. I like to hold these together. Make sure that's nice and tight. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Double check to make sure it's properly secured in place. After that, make your way out from under the vehicle. Take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises coming from the area. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.